Hey, Talon. Talon. Hey, Tal. Hi. What are you laughing at, buddy? What's over there that you're laughing at? Someone's happy. Little does he know he's going down for a nap in a little bit. Talon. Hi. Hi. Is that how you say hi? Hey, bouncies. Did you have so much fun with your food tonight? Huh? Did you have so much food? Let's check out your hair. Oh, that's beautiful, bud. Hi. Where's the puff? Where did it go? Where'd you put it? Where'd you put it? Is it up here? You are out of it, boo. Just hanging out with Talon in the morning, watching him play. Chatting away. That's a good boy. He's thinking about what to go to next. Chances are it's somewhere he shouldn't go. Yeah. Hey, Talon. Huh? Breaking through the gate. Tal. Where you going, boo-boo? You want to foam roll? You want a foam roll? Hey, Talon, what are you doing? Huh? The little guy's got some organic puffs stuck to his face. Are you gonna try to put it in your mouth and eat it? Your purple super puffs? You wanna try some more? Want Mama to give you a couple more? Okay. Here's one more. Try, see what you can do. Go ahead. Good boy. Can you put it in your mouth? Can you try to put it in your mouth? Good boy. You missed it. Almost there. You feel the other one, huh? You feel the other one on your cheek? Want to try again? Oh, you put one from your cheek in your mouth. Good boy. You gonna clap for yourself? It's those hands, those monster hands you got, boo-boo. Almost. Are we listening to a little Living on a Prayer? Good job, boo-boo. So proud of you. So proud of you. Oh, it fell off. Where'd it go? Where did it go? Did you find one? You want some cheese? Wanna try a little piece of cheese? Here. Try a little cheese. Are you full? You full from your dinner? You want to try a little cheese? Oh, give me more, Mama. You want some more cheese? Huh? Want more cheese? No? It's on your shirt. Want some more? Good boy. Now what do we listen to? Some funny song, huh? This is like a song that Daddy likes, right? Wanna try a little more cheese? That go down the wrong way. That tastes funny. Does that taste funny? Here you go. All done? Are you all done? Okay. All done. Clean plate club. Yeah? Are you all done? Just you clapping for yourself because you're all done? Yay, Talon! Yay, Talon! Your hair looks beautiful, Boo-Boo. I love the curls. You want to try one more? Are you looking at the puffs over here? You want to try? You want Mama to put it in your mouth? Here you go. No, you want to do it yourself? Okay, go ahead. That was a little one. You got it! Good job, Boo-Boo. Oh, it's so tasty, huh? You got a little of the flavor of the blueberry and purple sweet potato puff. Yummy! So good, huh? Oh, what's that face? Good job, buddy. Proud of you. Does Daddy have your belly? Show us your belly. Huh? Hi. What are you playing with Bruin's foot? You playing with Bruin's paw?
You're gonna be a wrestler. You're gonna wrestle.
Talon. Talon.
Did it again. You biting my hand.
You're making me dizzy on this video.
Video.
Are you hugging Bruin? Can you give Bruin a hug? Can you give Bruin a hug? Oh, you're so sweet. Hug Bruin. Can you give him a big hug? Go ahead. Give him a smoochy smooch. Can you hug Bruin? Bruin needs a hug. Can you give Bruin a hug? Can you give Bruin a hug? You're silly. Hug Bruin. So you've got a bellyache today, huh? Can you hug Bruin? Bruin needs a hug. That's my Talon. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, you smoochy smooches. Your hair looks beautiful. Oh, huggy hugs. Oh, huggy hugs. Yeah? Oh, that's so sweet of you. That's so sweet. Did that go? Oh, boom. Oh. Do you want to have a pillow fight? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. Hey. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Talon. Here comes the pillow. Ah! 1, 2. Hey, Talon. Uh-oh. Here comes the pillow. Uh-oh. Boom. Where's Talon? Where is he? Where's Talon? Peekaboo. Hey. Boom. Hey, Boo Boo. Where's Talon? There he is. Boo. Are you hanging in the corner with all your toys? Hey, are you hanging in the corner with your toys? Can you find Boomer? Where's Boomer? Where's Boomer? Where is he? Where's Boomer? Are you looking for Boomer? Are you trying to find Boomer? Where's Boomer? Can you find Boomer? Where's Boomer, buddy? Boomer? Where is he? Huh? You have your ball, it doesn't matter. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. What? Hat. Hat? Huh?